Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to embrace a healthy lifestyle and add a boost of freshness to your daily routine, you're in for a treat. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 5 juicers of 2023. Get ready to extract vibrant flavors and essential nutrients from fruits and vegetables with ease. You can find all the links to these amazing juicers in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future juicing adventures. Let's juice up and discover the best juicers of 2023. Starting at number 5, YZZ0411 Juicer. The YZZ0411 Juicer is a compact and efficient juicing machine that offers reliable performance and versatility. Made from durable plastic, the cup body and housing are lightweight and easy to handle. The round charging port and compact design make it user-friendly and suitable for small kitchens. With a rating of 48 revolutions per minute, this juicer operates at a moderate speed, ensuring efficient juice extraction while preserving the natural taste and nutrients. It offers multiple functions, including juicing, mixing, making soybean milk, tofu, and even ice cream. This versatility makes it a convenient appliance for various kitchen tasks. The YZZ0411 Juicer is a single-gear masticating juicer, which ensures thorough juice extraction and minimal waste. It has a power of less than 200 ml and a capacity of less than 500 ml, making it suitable for personal use and small batches of juice. The compact size and laying method on the table make it easy to use and store. However, it does not offer speed adjustment options. In conclusion, the YZZ0411 Juicer is a compact and versatile juicing machine that offers reliable performance and convenience. Its moderate speed, multiple functions, and user-friendly design make it a suitable choice for individuals who want a compact juicer for their kitchen. At number 4, Kapp Start YZZ0411 Juicer. The Kapp Start YZZ0411 Juicer is a versatile wheatgrass juicer that offers efficient and convenient juicing performance. Its Triton material cup body ensures durability and safe food handling. With a round charging port and automatic pulp ejection function, this juicer is designed for ease of use. Operating at a slow speed of 60 revolutions per minute, the juicer extracts juice while preserving the nutritional value and flavor of the ingredients. It features 2 gears with soft mode 50 to 60 RPM and hard mode 100 to 110 RPM, allowing you to choose the appropriate speed for different types of produce. With a 500 ml capacity and a pulp container volume of 0.501 the Kapp Start YZZ0411 Juicer is suitable for small to medium-sized juicing tasks. Its compact dimensions and table laying method make it a practical addition to any kitchen. The juicer's LED display provides clear information about the juicing process, while the special design of the silicone juice cup cover ensures a secure fit and prevents leaks. Operating at a noise level of 60 dB, it runs quietly, allowing for a peaceful juicing experience. Whether you're a wheatgrass enthusiast or looking to enjoy the benefits of slow juicing, the Kapp Start YZZ0411 Juicer is a reliable choice. Its adjustable speeds, durable construction, and user-friendly features make it suitable for health-conscious individuals seeking a practical and efficient juicing solution. At number 3, Amchef Gem 3001 Juicer. The Amchef Gem 3001 Juicer is a high-quality wheatgrass juicer designed to deliver nutritious and flavorful juices with ease. Its Triton material cup body ensures durability and safe food contact. With a round charging port and automatic pulp ejection, this juicer offers user-friendly operation. Operating at a low speed of 60 revolutions per minute, the juicer extracts juice while minimizing oxidation and heat buildup, preserving the nutritional value of the ingredients. The 2-speed control with soft mode 50 to 60 RPM and hard mode 100 to 110 RPM allows you to adjust the juicing process according to the specific ingredients. Featuring a 500 ml capacity and a pulp container volume of 0.501, the Amchef Gem 3001 Juicer is suitable for small to medium-sized juicing tasks. Its compact dimensions and table-laying method make it a space-saving addition to any kitchen. The juicer's LED display provides easy-to-read information about the juicing process, while the special design of the silicone juice cup cover ensures a tight seal and prevents leaks. With a noise level of only 60 dB, it operates quietly, allowing for a peaceful juicing experience. If you're a fan of wheatgrass juice or want to enjoy the health benefits of slow juicing, the Amchef Gem 3001 Juicer is an excellent choice. Its slow extraction process, adjustable speeds, and thoughtful features make it suitable for health-conscious individuals seeking a reliable and efficient juicer. At number 2, Miwiji 230-18M00 Juicer. The Miwiji 230-18M00 Juicer is a versatile and multifunctional juicing machine that caters to a wide range of needs. With its Triton material construction, it ensures durability and safety for food preparation. The juicer's round charging port and automatic pulp ejection function provide convenience and ease of use. Featuring a rating of 43 revolutions per minute, the juicer operates at a slow speed to extract maximum juice while preserving essential nutrients. It offers a pulp container volume of 0.5010, allowing for continuous juicing without frequent emptying. The dishwasher-safe design further enhances convenience during cleanup. The Miwiji 230-18M00 Juicer is not limited to juicing alone. It offers various functions such as stirring, milkshake preparation, meat grinding, and even making ice cream. This versatility makes it a practical choice for those who enjoy experimenting with different recipes and flavors. With a power rating of 250 Wa and a capacity of 501,000 ml, the juicer provides ample power and volume for various juicing needs. Its compact size and table-laying method make it suitable for both small and large kitchens. If you're looking for a versatile and efficient juicer, the Miwiji 230-18M00 Juicer is a great option. Its multifunctionality, durable construction, and ease of use make it suitable for individuals and families who appreciate healthy and delicious homemade juices. At number 1, YZZ0411 Electric Juicer. The YZZ0411 Electric Juicer is a powerful and efficient juicing machine designed for those who value convenience and quality. With its stainless steel and acrylic construction, it offers durability and a sleek appearance. The juicer's compact design and table-laying method make it suitable for any kitchen countertop. Featuring a round charging port and automatic pulp ejection function, the juicer ensures easy operation and hassle-free cleanup. It has a production capacity of 25 to 35 oranges per minute, making it ideal for high-volume juicing. The juicer's power rating of less than 200 Wa ensures energy efficiency. Equipped with a water tap, the YZZ0411 allows you to conveniently control the flow of juice and prevent spillage. Its 110 V/50 voltage rating ensures compatibility with standard electrical outlets. The juicer comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of its quality. Whether you're a juice bar owner or simply enjoy fresh orange juice at home, the YZZ0411 Electric Juicer is a reliable choice. Its high production capacity, durable construction, and user-friendly features make it a suitable option for those in need of a fast and efficient juicing solution.